Hello, you are highly welcome. We want to solve this problem here. The question says a squared minus b squared equals 49. So now when you look at this equation, what is the name of this type of this equation? Or which type of this equation is this? We are having just one equation, and here we can see two variables. So therefore, in this kind of equation, we call it Diophantine equation. Okay, so now for educational purpose, what do you understand by this Diophantine equation? Whenever you have this type of equation where you have two variables and just one equation, so we call that Diophantine equation. So therefore, this value of a and b in Diophantine equation, we are only be considering the value of a and b that are positive integers. So you should have it in mind that whenever you are given this type of equation, what you're going to be looking for are the values that are integers, right? Thank you for that. That's the first one. Now here, we can easily guess what the value of a and b is. And I'm going to do it now, okay? Now, there is one trick I would like you to know. If you have something like 2 squared minus 1 squared, okay? This is difference of 2 squared, but you can see that the 1, we have 2 after 1. We have 1 before 2, something like this. You don't need to disturb yourself. Just add this and this together. That is 2 plus 1, and you're going to have 3. So 2 squared minus 1 squared must give you this. Let me give you another example. If you have 4 squared minus 3 squared, you can see this 3 is before 4, right? So you don't need to do more. Just add this and this together. 4 plus 3, you're going to have what? You're going to have 7. Do you understand now? So that is how. So now when you try to guess this one now, we have 49 to be the final answer here. So it means that 25 plus what? 25 plus 24 will give us what? 49. So, and we have 49 here. So which is telling us that A is what? Is 25, and B is what? Is 24. That's just the, that's how to do it if you are to do it mentally, okay, by guessing. But you can be asked to solve this problem, okay, to know how good you are in problem solving, right? So therefore, this is what we are going to do now. Let's do it. So I'm very sorry I'm taking your time, so I just have to explain all of this. Now from here, I have a squared minus b squared equals, don't forget that a is 25 according to what we have, and b is what? Is 24. Let's see whether we are going to get this. So here we're going to have a minus b, okay, a plus b. That is from the difference of 2 squared, because when you have difference of 2 squared, so this will happen, then equals 49. Now, the same way I factor this left hand side, I want to factor this right hand side, 49. So 49 can be factored as 1 times 49, or 49 times 1. You see the same thing. Then you can have 49 equals 7 times 7, right? Now, looking at the left hand side here, you can see that looking at this, a minus b, okay, is less than what? A plus b. So we are going to compare this with what we have here, because we want to do comparison. Now here, the one that goes from here, the one that goes with the left hand side here, you can see a minus b is less than a plus b. Now here, 1 is less than 49, as minus b, a minus b is less than a plus b. So we pick this one. Now let's check the second condition, which is case 2. This is 7 times 7, which means 7 is equal to 7. But here, this is not equal to this. So we are going to cancel out this. So we apply this one here. Are you getting it now? So we're going to have what? A minus b, a plus b must be equals to 1 multiplied by 49, according to what we have. So now here, we now do comparison. So a minus b is equal to 1. Then a plus b is equal to 49. Are you getting it now? So this is what? Equation star, or let's call this equation star star. Now from here, we are going to solve this star and star star simultaneously. Then we're going to have minus, or you do addition, depend on what you want. So this is going to be a plus a. We're going to have 2a. Then minus b plus b. That we go. We're going to have 1 plus 49, and that will give us what? 50. Understood? So now from here, we divide both sides by 2. This, we cancel this, we have a to b. 50 divided by 2, we have what? We have 25. So you see, that's the first solution, to be 25. Now, we're going to look at the second solution. Just pick any of these equations. I pick star because it's simpler than this. We have a minus b equals 1. Then what is my a? I got a to be 25. 25 minus b equals 1. Then try to make b the subject of the formula. B is going to be 25 minus 1. Then we have b to be what? 24. So you see, we have a to be 25 and b to be 24, as I have stated earlier. Okay, so that is the solution. So don't forget, this type of equation, we call it Diophantine equation. And when you look at this, a and b, they belongs to set of positive what? Positive integers. All right, positive integers. So that is the end of the class. If you find the class very interesting, please share this to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.